Hey everybody, it's the first week of March. The weather is gorgeous here. We're actually in the low 60s today, if you can believe it, in Minnesota here. And I am coming out to the garden shed. So this is the front door of our really cute garden she shed here. Don't you love that arch? So adorable. And I am gathering up supplies to get going on seed starting. I'm a little bit behind where I want to be. But when it comes to things like the vegetables we're going to be growing, like peppers and tomatoes and other things, we want to get started inside the house. And so now is the time. I'm really proud of myself because I did proactively sanitize a lot of our containers, our trays, our seed starting materials. So I am glad that I'm reaping the benefits of that now here this spring, coming out here and figuring out which elements I want to take in so we can get seeds going. And there's little Miss Emma, our new little garden puppy. Say hi to everybody. Hello. Hi. She's like, what is this place? Emma is, how old are you? You're 1, 2, she's going to be 4 months old here by mid-March. So she's our new puppy. She's going to learn what it's like to be a big-time gardener puppy. So out here in the shed, I have a whole bunch of supplies stockpiled. So we have a lot of containers. I'm going to figure out what we're going to do with those. And then here are all the things that I sanitized. So we've got a lot of trays here and then different seed starting pieces that can go into the trays. I also got a soil blocker that I'm really excited to try. So I'm going to gather up a bunch of things, get them in the house, and then we're going to start our seeding. While I'm out here, I figure it'd be fun to just take a look at what's going on. I've got stuff from other seasons going on. So I did winter floral arrangements. That was an interesting adventure. They turned out really good, and I ended up selling quite a few wreaths and some small like centerpiece arrangements with faux materials. So this was really fun, and I took old Christmas trees, artificial Christmas trees, and ripped them apart. So I've got to figure out how I want to store those so I can work on that again this next season. Let's not eat the cardboard box, okay? Yeah, you don't need to be eating that. Oh, she's in such a chewing stage. Yes, you are. You're like a little shark. Are you a little shark? With those little twofers, huh? Yeah, I'm a shark. Oh, such a shark. And then over here, I did try an experiment where I dried with glycerin. I think these are arborvitae. I always get the names mixed up. But they have the blueberries. They're cedar? Oh, I'm completely spacing on what these are called. But this was from a tree in our pasture. And I really love how it turned out. It did like this ombre effect. In fact, I'm going to turn the light on in here just to make it easier to see. Yeah, now we can see stuff, huh? You can see it's like green on top and then more of an ombre golden brown on the bottom. And from what I understand, that's partly the glycerin as it is uptaking with the water into the dried branches because I soaked them for weeks. And the idea is that it's supposed to help preserve and dry it in a more flexible way so things don't fall off. But it's really interesting how there's this like gradient going on with the color. And then down here, they still are not falling off. Like I'm not having a lot of particles falling off. So I think it's really cool looking. I got to figure out what I want to do with these. I might make, I don't know, wreath arrangements, something with them this fall. But it was well worth the minimal effort and cost to do it. And I think they're so, so pretty. Check this out. These are little tiny geranium starter cups, but what a great setup. And I already have a tray and this is all sanitized. So, all right, I got 3 loads now. I got this tray with these pieces that I'll fit in. I got, I don't know, probably 6 or 7 trays here. And then these like medium cups this one that's a little bit bigger, and this one that are, you know, those are way bigger. Really excited to bring that stuff in and then see what we want to put in them.
No, leave it. Leave the phone alone. Leave it. Emma. Holy shit. Do you know I'm recording? Leave it. Are you freaking like that ostrich on Knuckle Bump Farms? That emu? I'm going to call you Emmanuel Todd Lopez. Emma, Alice, don't do it. Come here. You're a little stinker. Leave it. Emma, leave it. Emma, Alice, leave it.